if you speak, you will be targeted. Me, I'm willing to be targeted so that things can go right. We are tired of being asked for money. Auditors start auditing, and the first thing they tell you is bring upfront so much money. For what? For nothing. And if you don't give, your results are qualified. So continue qualifying, but you need to do the right thing. I will speak the correct things until I leave this house. Even if I am sacrificed for speaking the right thing, I will. But we need to do the right thing that serves Kenyans. Because we came here to serve Kenyans, not to take away money from Kenyans. So I'd want to encourage, first of all, the CDF office in Nairobi to look into how that audit was done so wrong that it is even embarrassing. When I actually showed them with evidence and proof that all these things that are being given here are false. To date, nothing has been taken against the auditor who did that report. What about the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission? They have not done anything. Instead, what you get is DCI, other agencies following you, asking you for bribes every now and again. And I want to tell them, shame on you. And the next time you call me, I'm going to mention you here by name. Stop following us here for bribes. If we don't speak these things, nobody will. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, I support. But let the auditors know that their work is to serve Kenyans, not to harass Kenyans. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Millie Odhiambo Mabona, for that good direction in terms of how we should audit. The Honorable Rashid Bedsimba, the MP for Kisauni.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa Speaker kunipa fursa hii na mimi kupenyeza sauti yangu. Kwanza ni